So I've managed now to take a lot of the rust off this really rusty part here, where I'm going to have to do some welding and all the rest of it. Most of it in the end I had to use the angle grinder because it was quite thick rust. It was really thick, and I was having to be really careful. And because I didn't want to cut into the metal at the back, I just wanted to scrape off the rust. But I've mostly done that now, and starting to expose it. But this bit here is rusty. Really rusty, and that's going to have to come out and be, I'm going to cut this out and weld it, which we'll do later. So I haven't actually taken the rust out of here, but I have out of this section here. And what I'm now trying to do is to get into this corner section and clean it out, and that's quite problematic, but I'm going to get to that. But yeah, starting to make a bit of progress with a combination of the angle grinder and the wire brush. And then when I really clean, last clean will probably be with the buffing disc. Well, not the buffing disc, but like, you know, the hard disc that I use to get the last bits out. But yeah, no, still going. Bit of work in there, bit of work still to go. So this is coming along reasonably well, I think. I've been concentrating on getting the rust and paint off in this bit around the door, and it's quite hard work because it's quite hard to get into the little corners, but I think it's going okay. I've been using a combination of the angle grinder, the wire brush, and this kind of grinding device. And the wire brush, of course, to get the loose stuff off in the beginning. And it's taken quite a while, but I'm getting there. And so these parts are now coming down to bare metal quite nicely. I've got a bit of tidying up to do around the top, but I'll probably spend a couple of hours at least just doing these. That's taken a couple of hours, but it's getting there. And once I manage to get all this hard stuff down to bare metal, then I'll take off a bit of the easy stuff around here, and then get it all ready, and then I'll probably prime it up before I cut, just because I don't want to have this bare metal open for too long. So I've, in this section here around the engine compartment, I've spent ages getting rust and getting down to bare metal around these rather tricky to get two bits in here. I hope that I've done enough. I hope I've got enough of the rust off. There were particularly around here some small specks still. I worked really hard to get them out and I just couldn't. And in the end I just felt if I took any more metal away it would just go through anyway. So we'll have to watch that, and in a year's time the rust might be coming through, that might bubble. I don't know, we'll have to find out. So I've primed these bits, cleaned and primed these bits, but I'm actually going to cut them out. So this is where I'm going to be cutting out here and cutting out here. Not sure, once I've done those and welded them back in, I'm going to have a think about whether I should do something here or just fill it and take the risk that it's going to blister up. Not sure. So there it is. Next step is welding.